Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view your virtual Amazon Pay ICCE credit card. This is incredibly useful when you need to access your card details for online purchases or verification purposes without having the physical card at hand. Let's dive right in and get this done. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your account features. Next, move your mouse cursor to the top right corner of the screen and hover over Account and Lists. A drop-down menu will appear with various options related to your account management. From this menu, click on Account to proceed to your account settings page. Now that you're on your account page, look for the option labeled Your Payments and click on it. This section is where Amazon stores all your payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and other payment options you've added to your account. Although I don't currently have an ICICI credit card saved on my account, I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do. Once you're in the Your Payments section, scan through the list of saved payment methods to find Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. This is where your virtual card will be listed if you have one linked to your account. When you locate the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card, click on either Manage or directly on the card name itself. This action will reveal the full details of your virtual credit card, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. These details are essential for making online transactions or verifying your card information when needed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view your virtual Amazon Pay ICICI credit card details through your Amazon account. This straightforward process ensures you always have access to your card information whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.